Hello everybody and welcome back to the Viewer channel, and today we are going to learn as a Republic Day special how to make an Indian flag on the Rubik's Cube. So let's just begin. U, D twice prime, L, E prime, L prime, E, R prime, then again E, then R, E prime. There we have it, Indian flag on the Rubik's Cube. Now in order to solve it back to the original form, just follow these simple steps. E, R prime, E prime, R, then again E prime, L, E, L prime, U prime, and the last D twice prime. So there you have it, you have solved the Rubik's Cube. So thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.